I think it's good for people to understand where things have come from, to know who's made them, and I would like a lot more people to take an interest in slow fashion and to think about getting their own bags made. My name's Debbie Macpherson. I'm the owner of Freeload Accessories. I handcraft a whole range of leather accessories. The college I actually originally went to was called Cordwainers, specialising in leather. It's got quite a few famous alumni, so you've got Jimmy Choo, Emma Hope went there. It was a really great introduction to how to make a complete product. I actually reached a stage in 2006 where I felt like I was really ready to start the brand, and I actually did a concession of men's bags for Topman. That was a one-season thing, so I moved on from that, and then I got involved with selling online and joined notonhighstreet.com in 2007. Depending on the style, most of my bags take a day and a half. I keep my designs quite classic, and I like to put a bit of a twist on it, so I like using all the bright colours. I love using a bit of stitching detail, and I really like to use quite a lot of traditional solid brass fittings and fastenings. Do all sorts of adaptations. Also, I go one stage further and we can do a personalised label, so if it's a special gift, a birthday, then just let me know your message and I put that on a nice leather label and stitch it into the lining. Well, I'm really passionate actually about slow fashion because I think a lot of people buy product, wear them a few times and then throw them away. I think if you buy something that's really good quality, even something that might have been designed just for you, then you'll hopefully wear that every day. It'll become a part of your life and it should last. I mean, someone like me who's always based here, if they have something of my bags that needs replacing after a few years wear, then I can always help with that to keep the life going longer and longer. And I can see myself staying at Cockington Court. Eventually, maybe I'd like to move to a bigger unit. Being here is amazing because I've got a workshop, but I can also see the public at the same time. So I can make orders for my online business while still being visible to the public that are passing by. I find working in Torbay really inspiring. Being near the sea, in the countryside, it's just such a relaxing place to work. Also, it's really great the diversity of people you have, people on holiday, people that live locally. It's great to hear different people's opinions, ideas.